Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Cera Roll On is probably one of the most essential items in any personal care arsenal, offering a convenient and effective way to manage sweat and odor throughout the day. Its unique formulation is designed to provide long-lasting protection without irritation, making it a go-to choice for those seeking reliable and discreet underarm care. Whether you're heading to the gym, a crucial business meeting, or simply navigating a busy day, this roll-on ensures you stay fresh and confident, allowing you to focus on what matters most without worrying about discomfort or embarrassing moments. Number 5. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of oily skin? This innovative tool instantly mattifies your complexion, giving you a shine-free look in seconds. Keep your makeup looking perfect. It effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your foundation or concealer. Whether you're at home or out and about, you can achieve a refreshed, matte finish anytime, anywhere. Simply roll it over your skin. Say goodbye to wasteful blotting papers. This roller is made from real volcanic stone and is reusable and washable, offering a sustainable solution. Need a refresh? The roller balls can be easily swapped out with our refill packs, so you don't need to buy a new handle every time. Discover the secret to quickly banishing shine. Its unique volcanic stone material is the key to a consistently matte appearance. What we like? This tool is designed to instantly mattify your skin and absorb excess oil, keeping you shine-free. It's better than blotting papers because it's reusable and washable. If you have oily skin and are looking for a quick touch-up throughout the day without ruining your makeup, you should consider this. What people say. The Cera Roll On is designed for effective sweat and odor control, providing long-lasting freshness throughout the day. Its unique formula is gentle on the skin while offering robust protection against wetness, making it suitable for daily use. The roll-on applicator ensures smooth and even application, preventing clumps and providing a comfortable experience. Number 4. Honey Roll-On Wax Hair Removal Cartridge. Introducing our natural honey wax. It's dermatologically tested for safe and easy hair removal. Crafted with 100% natural ingredients, this wax is gentle on your skin. Experience a smooth finish every time. This pack includes 4 convenient roller refills. They are perfect for at-home waxing of your legs and arms. Designed for ease and safety, you can achieve professional results in the comfort of your home. Say goodbye to unwanted hair with confidence. Enjoy smooth, hair-free skin for longer. Our formula ensures effective depilation for all your body waxing needs. What we like? This product offers a natural honey wax for effective hair removal. It is dermatologically tested, ensuring safety for your skin. If you are looking for a convenient and safe at-home hair removal solution for your body, legs, and arms, this is a great choice. What people say. The Cera Roll On is a game-changer for on-the-go application, especially for sensitive skin. Its fragrance-free and non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving skin feeling smooth and hydrated. The convenient roll-on design ensures even application without mess, making it perfect for travel. Number 3. Clean Plus Easy Vid E Roll-On Wax 6-Pack. Introducing the Clean Plus Easy Vid E Roll-On Wax. This 6-pack offers a convenient and gentle solution for hair removal. Each large roll-on is infused with vitamin E, known for its skin-soothing properties. Enjoy a comfortable waxing experience. With a net weight of 16.8 ounces per unit, these large applicators ensure efficient coverage. Get smooth skin with less effort. The roll-on design makes application simple and mess-free. Just warm, roll, and remove unwanted hair with ease. This 6-pack provides excellent value, ensuring you have your favorite waxing solution on hand. Maintain smooth skin for longer. What we like? This option features a large cartridge infused with vitamin E for a gentle hair removal experience. It's designed to be effective yet kind to your skin. If you prefer a larger quantity and a formula that nourishes while removing hair, especially for larger areas like legs and arms, this is ideal. What people say. The Cera Roll On is designed for easy application, ensuring a smooth and even spread. Its compact design makes it convenient for on-the-go use and travel. The roll-on mechanism dispenses the product effectively without leakage. Number 2. Waxness Soft Wax Cartridge Rose. Introducing our soft wax cartridges, designed for a gentle yet effective hair removal experience. Perfect for both face and body, they offer a smooth application every time. Experience professional-grade waxing from the comfort of your home. These cartridges are expertly crafted in Italy, ensuring premium quality and performance. Enjoy the subtle, pleasant rose scent as you wax. It transforms a routine task into a more enjoyable self-care moment. This pack includes 6 3.38-ounce cartridges, providing you with ample supply for multiple waxing sessions. Keep your skin smooth for longer. The convenient roll-on design ensures an even and mess-free application. Simply glide it over the skin for quick and easy hair removal. Whether you're targeting delicate facial areas or larger body parts, these versatile cartridges are suitable for all your hair removal needs. What we like. This is a professional-grade soft wax cartridge, expertly made in Italy. Its formulation is designed for effective strip waxing on both face and body. If you're seeking a salon-quality waxing experience at home and prefer a smooth, pliable wax for precise application, this is the one to choose. What people say. The Cera Roll On is designed for effective odor control, keeping you fresh throughout the day. Its smooth application ensures a comfortable experience without irritation, making it suitable for daily use. Number 1. Demine Hair Removal Waxing Kit. Introducing the Demine Hair Removal Waxing Kit, designed for both women and men. Achieve smooth, hair-free skin with ease. This kit features a digital roll-on white wax warmer for consistent heating. It ensures a perfect waxing experience every time. Formulated with honey wax, it's gentle even on sensitive skin. Enjoy a comfortable hair removal process without irritation. Everything you need is in this portable kit, including 100 wax strips. You'll also find residue wipes for a clean finish. Its portable design makes it ideal for use at home or on the go. Get salon-quality results anytime, anywhere. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes a digital roll-on wax warmer for precise temperature control, making it user-friendly for sensitive skin. It also comes with wax strips and residue wipes for a complete hair removal process. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one portable waxing solution for both women and men, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The Cera Roll On is a game-changer for keeping you fresh all day long. Its unique formula effectively neutralizes odor without leaving any sticky residue, making it comfortable for daily use. I love how discreet and easy to use the Cera Roll On is. The rollerball design ensures smooth and even application, and it dries quickly, so you can get dressed immediately after applying. It's perfect for on-the-go freshness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.